Hey, it's Lourdes Alden. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Lana Del Rey Fuck It, I Love You / The Greatest official music video, and let's get into it. Starting out with the eyes, I'm using the Silver Beauty Hydroliner in Dance Party and Fanny Pack. Mix them up and put them on my eyes as a basic winged eyeliner. Up next, underneath the neon colors, I use the Silver Beauty Hydroliner in the shade Grease, using a thin layer enough to show the green and yellow colors. Off camera, I ensured that both my eyes are even and took off the tape. For false lashes, I used the Luxe Beauty Lashes in the style Athena. Use code Lourdes25 to purchase your lashes at luxebeauty.com. I primed my face with the e.l.f. Matte Poreless Putty Primer. I covered my entire face with a thin layer of ColourPop Cosmetics Hydraulic Tinted Foundation in 6W Light. Spot concealing my imperfections with the LA Girl Cosmetics Pro Coverage Concealer in Natural. Sculpting my face with the LA Girl Cosmetics Pro Coverage Concealer in Espresso. Blending it all in with my fingers. To complement the look more, I used the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Bali on my cheeks and nose. Highlighting the points of my face with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in Golden Flower Crown. Setting my nose with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Loose Powder. For my lips, I use the Not Lip Treatment in Lemonade and e.l.f. Putty Blush in Bali. This creates a flush tinted gloss look. And this concludes my Lana Del Rey makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!